G'day folks. This program was written for a CNC lathe with no turret. So to minimise tool changes, it just uses a threading tool, a drill and a parting tool does the rest. The parting tool is used as a material stop, then the spindle starts and the part is faced off. Then the parting tool pretends it's a turning tool and turns down the diameter for the thread. This has all been done at 3000 RPM, and for the thread cutting we'll slow down to 1500 RPM and be using a full form insert so that we get a really good thread. Then it will be back to 3000 RPM for the 1/4 inch drill, which is using a deep drilling can cycle. Then it will be back to 3000 RPM to use the parting tool to chamfer the thread and part off. There you go. Then it returns to its stop position, and using a subroutine the cycle will continue. So that's it, and thank you for watching.